Hi guys, and welcome back to Aisha.Academy. And today we're going through areas of triangles and quadrilaterals. So there are some basic formula you need to know for working out areas of these shapes, okay? So I'm going to go through each of the ones that you need to know. So first of the ones is a rectangle, and a rectangle has a length and a width. So in order to work out the area of a rectangle, you literally just do length times width. Here we have our triangle. So with triangles, they have a perpendicular height, or with a right angle triangle, it will literally just be the height. And you have the base. So for the area of a triangle, it's slightly different in the sense that you have to do half multiplied by the base times the height. Here we have our trapezium. So again, perpendicular height. Then you've got the length at the bottom, just represented as B, and the length at the top, represented as A. And for the area of a trapezium, it is half multiplied by the length and the top and bottom added together. That's a key part, okay? Multiplied by the height. And this formula you are given on your formula sheet for the 2022 GCSE exams. And here we have our parallelogram, okay? So perpendicular heights, you've got the base, and it's pretty similar to the area of a triangle in the sense that it's literally just height times the base, kind of like the length times the width. Practice questions. Example 1. So here we have a right angle triangle. It's given us the perimeter is 56 meters and we want to work out the area. So we know that perimeter is all of the sides added together, okay? It's really important. And so because we know that, we can basically add all the sides together. So the 3x, add the 3x plus 1, add the x minus 1, and make that equal to 56, since it's told us that the total perimeter is 56 meters. And now that we have written it like this, this will allow us to work out what x is, okay, which will help us to work out the area. So again, using your algebra, divide both sides by 7, and that would leave you with a value of x being equal to 8. Now we know that x is equal to 8, we're actually going to work out the actual value lengths of each side. And by doing that, we can then work out our area of our triangle using the formula half times base times height. So here our base, or the x minus 1 is the height, and because x is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, and our base is the 3x, 8 times 3 is 24. And so because now we know that, we're going to end up doing a half times 24 times 7, and that would leave us with an answer of 84 meters squared. So remember, area is meters squared. Example 2. So in this scenario, we have this fielded shape. Basically wants us to work out the number of pigs that Kevin can fit in his field. So it's told us that the area is 36 meters squared. So by knowing that, with these kind of scenarios, you can actually split the shape up into 2 shapes. And because we know how to work out the area of rectangles, it's going to make your life 10 times easier. So now we need to work out the other height. So that would be the 10 meters minus the 6, which is 4. So that part is 4 for shape B. And then we already have all the other lengths for shape A. So for the area of shape A is length times width. So it's going to be 16 times 6. And that would give you an answer of 96. Whereas the area of shape B is going to be the 7 times the 4. And that leaves you with an answer of 28. So now we're going to add those two values together. And that's going to give us the total area of this field. And that would be equal to 124 meters squared. And then because it says each pig can fit in 36 meters squared, we're going to divide that value by 36 to work out how many pigs can actually fit in this field. By doing that, you would be left with an answer of 3.44, so on. But you can't have 0.44 of a pig, so you can only fit 3 pigs in there. And that's the end of it, guys. I hope that was useful, and thanks for watching.